I think a lot of it's a leap of faith. We're depending on software providers to give us good patches. I'll deploy a patch, I'll download a patch for a firewall and go deploy it. If it bricks that firewall, it means I have to find a way to get there with a new firewall. And with lead times right now with supply chain, it may not be easy to get a new firewall. So that's where really the risk is. We can't run a large enterprise, an SME, on a Walmart router. We have to have real enterprise gear in place, and there's a risk when we're patching that we're going to break whatever's there. We do what we can to test patches with a patch management system, but there's always some kind of weird combination of something that can cause a system to break. So that's what enterprises are really afraid of. And when we're on incident response, almost all the time, we're dealing with a lot of systems that have never been patched. A lot of the companies will turn off patch management on purpose because they don't want to break these critical systems. They don't want to break their enterprise applications by rolling out new SQL Server patches to their environment, and then nothing works the next day. That is something that they're really afraid of. So it's coming from really, the responsibility is coming from the service provider and the software company, but enterprises really need to embrace patching at this point. I view it as a resilience test.